Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro JPY, Euro Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hours chart of Euro JPY in front of us right now. And as you can see that I have got many lines here drawn on the chart. So let's try to understand these lines. Then we'll be jumping to the strategy part. Clear? Okay, let's get started. So first of all, if we look at the overall trend of the market, okay, if you look at the overall trend of the market, then we can see that overall trend of the market is towards the downside. It means that sellers are dominating the overall market here. But if we look at the present trend of the market here, if we just focus on the present trend of the market here, then we can see that the present trend is under the dominance of buyers. And if you're the trader whose trade lasts from 3 to 4 days to a couple of weeks, then you should mainly be focusing on the overall trend of the market. But if you're a trader like me whose trade lasts for a couple of hours to max 1 day, then you should mainly focus on the present trend of the market. And if we just focus on the present trend of the market, we can see that the present trend of the market is bullish. Market is in uptrend right now. So market is in uptrend, and we can see that at this particular level here, okay, market is having no trend. So overall trend is towards the downside. The present trend is present trend is in uptrend, and market is consolidating right now. Clear? So our next important point is to find out the area of value. If you have watched my other videos, then you know it pretty well that I always emphasize on finding out the area of value. Area of value is nothing but the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot in the market. If a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is an downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And as the present trend of the market is towards the upside, we should mainly look for buying opportunities. But you can see that I have already drawn a trend line here, and market is trading below the trend line. So market is trading below the support. Therefore, yes, there are some complications on the chart of Euro JPY. So listen to me carefully. Okay, so you can see that market is trading below the support here. Therefore, this support line is no longer valid. Yes, market was going up, market was bullish, market was following the trend line as a support, but right now market is not following the trend line. And you can see that apart from the trend line, which is gone right now, we also have a black line in the middle of the chart. To understand the black line, we need to go to the weekly chart. So this is the weekly chart of Euro JPY, and you can see that right now market is just standing at the weekly resistance here. Market is just standing at the weekly resistance here, and you can see that previous week also market tried to go up, market tried to cross the resistance, but market failed. Market faced selling pressure and market had to close below the resistance. And this week also market is trying the same thing. But one thing is very much clear to us, that sellers are present in the level. As a result, they are not allowing the market to go up or allowing the market to cross that easily. So therefore, one thing we have understood, that from the weekly chart, there is a possibility that market will be going down. Okay, there is just a possibility. Listen, because though market has been, okay, listen, because see, this is, you need to focus here. Though market is standing at a resistance here, okay, though market is standing at a resistance here, still market is not going down. Sellers are present in the market. Sellers are sitting at the weekly resistance level of 130.50. There is no doubt about it. But buyers are also present in the market, and they are not ready to sign up, because see, overall, see, this market was in uptrend. Okay, this market was an uptrend, but when they reach the sellers zone, when they reach the sellers territory, still they are giving a tough fight. Generally what happens is that whenever market goes up, in normal circumstances, whenever market goes up and reaches a resistance, If the buyers fail to take the price upward, they usually surrender, the sellers win the game, and market usually goes down. But here market was so bullish that after reaching the resistance also, these buyers who were taking the market upward are not surrendering. They are still trying their best to take the price upward. Or in simple words, there is still a battle going on between the buyers and sellers. Buyers and sellers are still fighting. Sellers are trying to push the price downward, whereas buyers are still fighting and they are trying to take the price upward. As a result, there is an indecision in the market right now. And do you think that in a market condition like this, you should be going for any buy or sell here? No, because see, there is no proper logic of placing the buy order here. We do not have any proper support here. First of all, we do not have any proper support here. Market is standing at a resistance, so there is no logic of placing the buy order here. On the other hand, if you're thinking about shorting the market here or selling Euro JPY here, then you can see that though market is standing at a resistance, but still market is not ready to go down. As a result, you should wait right now. This is not the ideal position to go for buy or sell. So what you should be doing here, so you just need to draw a box like this, or just need to mark these levels here. Let me show you. See, 130.15 on the downside. Okay, 130.15 on the downside, this line. Okay. And you need to draw a 130 another line above at 130.75. So as long as market is trading between the 130.75 on the upside and 130.15 on the downside, you should not trade. This is your no trading zone, because you can clearly see on the chart that market does not have any trend. Okay, market does not have any trend here, rather there is an indecision in the market right now. So don't need to do anything, just watch the market and don't do anything. In case there is a sudden selling pressure on the market and market breaks the level 130.10 level, sorry, 130.15 level, this market breaks the level with good amount of volume, if you see a big fat red candle, then you can think about shorting the market. Otherwise, do not short the market. And if you want to go for buy, okay, if you want to go for buy, let the market cross this level 130.75 level. And as this is a weekly resistance, therefore you should wait for at least two candles, and just observe the market and just see how the price is doing, how the price is reacting. If you see that after 4 to 8 hours market is trading comfortably above the resistance, market is facing no struggle, then you'll get the confirmation that the resistance has become the new support for the market. The resistance has become the support of the market, and then you can go for buy order. But till then, just watch the market, observe the market. So hopefully you've understood. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow again.